everybody, today we're going to make sushi, but the easiest steps, okay? So we don't need this, tuck it in the rubbish bin, and we don't need this, bye-bye. This is what we're going to need, this wrapper. So first of all, make it like spin it. So this has to be 200 degrees. So now you spray oil. Now wait for half of the mixed eggs. There we go. Next, stir the frying pan around. Make sure, grab a knife that's not that sharp, but you can still cut your finger. Next, when you cut the egg, it should be the size of your half of your palm, like over here. Next, grab cucumber. Grab one piece. Shred off this part. This part's useless, so we don't need it. Put it here. The next one we don't need. Until we get the bigger size, I'll show you when we get it. After this, we start. Next, you scoop the salmon up, put it on a board, cut it in half. Make sure you pull it strongly. Voila, done. Right time! So you need to pour salt in the Japanese special vinegar, like that. Now we need sugar. Pour it in gently. And now use this rice spoon. Grab egg. If it's wrong, it's okay. It doesn't really matter. Get cucumber, place it down. Now, get rice again. Put it on here. One, two, three. Now we'll just serve this up down. Now I'll place it here. Down, voila, done. I'm gonna eat sushi. This looks spectacular. Now dip it in soy sauce. This is very good. The rice should be the room temperature, or your hands will get burning and you'll get hot when you're mixing. And when you eat sushi, you'll just burn your hands. And the final hint is make sure you use the wrapping paper like this, yes. So all you do is just wrap it up like that in a bowl, then you twist it around. That's what you need. Bye!